This is the best automatic watch for beginners 2024. Imagine wearing a constellation on your wrist, narrating tales of underwater adventures and above-land elegance with every tick. Intrigue. With its myriad of features and a design that speaks volumes, it's a watch enthusiast's dream come true. But what makes it stand out in the crowded sea of timepieces? Let's unravel the charm of this watch and explore why it's a treasure worth having on your wrist. Dive in as we unravel the symphony of originality and functionality that sets the Orion Kamasu apart, promising a horological adventure that makes every second count. My name is Edward from Timepiece Treasures. Here's why this is the best automatic watch for beginners. Unveiling the Orion Kamasu, a synthesis of elegance and functionality. In a realm where timepieces often tread the line between rugged exploration and refined sophistication, the Orion Kamasu has skillfully blended the best of both worlds. It's akin to wearing a black tie suit equipped with a jetpack. This masterpiece, lovingly dubbed a dress diver, dances between the durability of a dive watch and the charm of an elegant timepiece, making it your versatile companion for every adventure. Let's talk dimensions. With a case diameter just shy of 42 mm and a narrow lug-to-lug width of 46 mm, the Kamasu marries boldness with modesty. This universal sizing makes it a comfortable fit for a spectrum of wrist sizes, ensuring that whether you're penning a masterpiece or diving into the deep blue, the Kamasu remains a well-fitted companion. Strapped to your wrist is a melody of metallic brilliance, a completely waterproof, solid-link metal bracelet. It's not just about functionality, it's about making a statement. This bracelet, coupled with the distinctive design of the hands, markers, and dial, ensures that the Kamasu is a harmonious fit with any attire, be it a tuxedo or casual jeans and a shirt. Let's gaze into the cosmos encapsulated in the Kamasu's dial. The green variant, in particular, is a symphony of deep, dark ocean green with a subtle sunburst effect, playing with light like a celestial dance. This, along with premium hands and markers, elevates the Kamasu to a level of sophistication that is anything but ordinary. In a world brimming with timepieces that sometimes fail to match their online allure in person, the Orion Kamasu stands tall. It's not just a watch, it's a high-quality statement piece that feels familiar yet original, distancing itself from the sea of imitations trying to replicate the charm of renowned brands. Embracing originality. By the way, if you enjoy this video, please subscribe, like, and share this video. Bridging universes, a glimpse into affordability and luxury. The Orion Kamasu elegantly challenges the notion that luxury comes with a hefty price tag. It brings to the fore an amalgamation of quality, design, and functionality that doesn't break the bank. The Kamasu is a testament to the attainability of luxury, ensuring that a refined taste in horology is accessible to enthusiasts from all walks of life. Navigating through the cosmos of affordability and luxury, Kamasu stands as a beacon of uncompromised quality. Every component, every tick, and every curve of this celestial timepiece is meticulously crafted, ensuring that cost-effectiveness does not translate to a compromise in the quality or the integrity of the watch. The Kamasu isn't just a timepiece, it's a canvas where elegance and functionality paint a harmonious symphony. The intricate design, coupled with its versatile features, showcases how Kamasu is rewriting the narrative, proving that affordability and sophisticated design can indeed walk hand in hand. Engraved within the Kamasu is the signature of Orion, a mark that distinguishes it from the ordinary and elevates it to a realm of exclusivity. This signature is a pledge of trust and a symbol of the meticulous craftsmanship and attention to detail that goes into every Kamasu, making it a prized possession for any watch aficionado. Venture further into the Kamasu cosmos, and you'll discover a thriving community of enthusiasts and aficionados. This vibrant community is a treasure trove of shared experiences, insights, and the collective passion for the Kamasu, further enriching the ownership experience and building a sense of unity among Kamasu enthusiasts. So, as we anchor back from our expedition into the world of Orion Kamasu, it's clear how this stellar timepiece is carving a niche in the horological landscape. Bridging the gap between affordability and luxury, Kamasu stands as a symbol of attainable elegance and quality, forging a community of like-minded enthusiasts and setting new standards in watchmaking. The Kamasu is not just a watch, it's a journey, a community, and a testament to the boundless possibilities in the universe of horology. Our passion for timepieces is timeless. If you share it, like this video, and subscribe to our horological hub,